and welcome to another episode of School Zone. In today's program, we will be visiting the winners of the 2019 ISA Boys and Girls Championships. And as you can see, we started off with the female champions right here at my alma mater, the
Edwin Allen High School!
And later, I'll be hosted at the Kingston College High School, so stay right there.
Edwin went here again, Friday, forward, I'm here again. Edwin again, let's here again, I just here again.
Approximately 20 years ago, Edwin Allen got involved in champs. And the program began with 5 students, 3 boys and 2 girls. And we participated in the championships, and I remember in 2006, the school came 3rd in the competition. And later on we continued, and in 2011 we came 2nd. We tried hard to get the title, and in 2012 we won the title. We lost it by 5 points in 2013, but we were adamant that we are going to take it once again, and we went out there, and in 2014 we won the title, and hence we have been winning since then. I want to use the opportunity to laud all those persons who have worked through the program, and special thanks to our head coach, Mr. Michael Dyke. He has worked unstintingly, assiduously, and he has a supporting staff that works very well with him.
This year was challenging, but we know that come next year, we will still be the champion, regardless of how close, especially Idle might be coming on. They will still have to wait a few more years before they can take this title away from us.
So how can we visit the school without speaking to some of the outstanding athletes on the track team? In a moment, you'll be hearing from the Clayton twins and Kevona Davis on how they were able to do so well at the championships.
Hi, my name is Tina Clayton. I won a gold medal in 100 meter in a new record, 11:27.
I am Kevona Davis, the winner of the Class 2 100-200 in the time of 11.19 and 23.21.
My name is Tia Clayton, and I won the girls' Class 3 200 meters in the time of 23.44 seconds.
First of all, I believe in God. I have a lot of faith in God. I listen to my coaches, and I eat right. I try to eat right. I sleep when it is time to sleep.
The only thing I do is train hard, listen to my coach, and do what I have to do.
We train Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We get Sunday off. And the training time is from 3 till about 6.
While at Edwin Allen here, on Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday we do speed work, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays we do batting exchange.
Track and field is a great sport. It comes with ups and downs, a lot of ups and downs, because you can be on the top at this moment, and at the next moment you are right on your face. You just have to know how to deal with failure. Just know that when you fall, you get up, brush yourself off, and be ready again.
In the future, my sister would like to become a pro athlete and a police. Well, me myself here would like to be a professional athlete and a nurse. To young track athletes, I would tell them that they should always listen to their coaches, do their best when they go there. And if they are looking at high school to attend with a good track team, it will be Edwin Allen.
You're watching School Zone.
As promised, we visited the male champions, Kingston College. Their victory this year is their first in 10 years, and their winning point, 395.50, is the most ever in the championships. In a few moments, we'll be talking to some of the boys on how they're able to do so well in sports while balancing the books. Take a look.
KC has had an outstanding history in champs from before I came to KC as a student, and that's long. I won't go into how long, but that's very long. And we pride ourselves in doing good at champs and most other sports because we work hard for it. Essentially, we work hard, we train properly, prepare properly, so we do the best we can every time.
So we're now joined by some of the members of the KC track team. Just like the Clayton twins at Edwin Allen, we have Gianni and Giovanni, and we have Conroy, and his twin Kenroy is missing. We also have Tyrol and Blaine. And all of these students here are exceptionally bright. They all have scholarships. Some of them are going abroad to study. So we just want to know, how are they able to balance the books and do so well in sports? Guys, tell us, what is the formula?
Well, it takes great discipline and focus, and I also stay off social media in order to get enough rest at night.
Well, my brother and I normally set a study timetable for us to study on in the night when we come from training.
But what time do you come from training? Isn't it late?
Well, yes, about 7 o'clock, but we know that we still have to do our schoolwork in order to balance up everything.
Okay. And what about the ones who are going abroad soon to study? What has been your strategy over the years? You've been in tracks from grade 7, grade 8?
It's challenging, of course, but as the little twin said, we have to set a study timetable for me and my brother. We do the same. For us, we reach home at least 9 in the nights, and we have to take up the book for at least an hour and a half or sometimes 2 hours just to keep everything on a balance.
And your brother and yourself have 10 subjects in CSEC, right?
Yes, 10 CSECs, 4 Capes, and we are going ahead on 4 more right now.
And what about Tyrol?
Well, for me, from the lower grades, I've been practicing how to manage my time, and when I get home in the nights, it's very tiring, so I'll normally get up after 3 in the morning when everyone's sleeping, and I work on my schoolwork. Anything I don't understand, I try to look up and execute when it comes to the exams and don't get very nervous.
So what about the support group that you have? Anybody who pushes you to do well? It's not a one-man thing. You probably need help.
Well, yes, we have a staff here that really look out for us in terms of our schoolwork. So they motivate us and ensure that we get every material and equipment for us to do well in school.
And then the KC family is just very supportive. How does it feel, having the crowd at Champs? You guys have most of the supporters, I think. People come out in the purple and white and they come and cheer for you guys. How does that make you feel on the day?
It's really motivating, miss. The crowd out there help to push us a lot, miss. It gives us a little more confidence while going out there to run.
All right, so you guys think you're going to take the championships another year?
Well, of course, most definitely, because leaving as a senior athlete, I've instilled most discipline in my squad as these young twins here on the middle distance. I have Terrell here, who is a jumper and has instilled in Blaine over there. And with the discipline of the side going on, most definitely we take the championship in years to come.
Thank you so much, guys. Those were some very important tips, and I hope Jamaica was watching, because these are the champions and you should be learning from the champions. We've come to the end of School Zone. Thank you so much for staying with us. But before we go, we have some important tips from the coaches of the winning schools.
Well, if you want to become champions, discipline is the key point. You must maintain a high level of discipline, hard work and dedication, because without those 3 points, then you achieving will not be possible.
The main thing you have to do as an athlete is prepare properly. Right? You have to train properly, you have to eat properly, you have to rest properly. And if you fail to prepare, you can't prepare to fail.
And that's it. To have your school featured in School Zone, simply email me at sclark@jis.gov.jm. Until then, be reminded that
you all have it within you to be the champions you want to be.
Take care.